First class math student, today we will discuss division. Okay, here see children life skill. Naksha has 15 balls. He wants to put them in 3 baskets equal. Help him to put the equal number of balls by drawing in each basket. Okay, you can draw children. How many is there here? Basket lo manam draw cheyali. Okay na? Here all there 15. 3 baskets are there. 3 5 how much? 15. And each basket you draw the 5 balls. 5 5 5 5 5 like this. Okay na? Each basket how many balls you can draw? 5 balls. 5 5 5 5 5 10 10 15 total 15. Can you understand? Next, division is equal sharing, equal grouping or repeated subtraction. What is the meaning of division? Repeated subtraction, equal grouping or equal sharing. Okay, na? Equal sharing. Here see children. Neha puts 6 candles on 3 cakes such that each cake has the same number of candles. Here there are 3 cakes and 6 candles. 3 cakes la she is sharing 2 candles. Each cake have 2 candles. Yes, is sharing, equal sharing. First cake 2 candles, second cake 2 candles, third cake also 2 candles. Equal sharing is important. Division means equal sharing. Okay na? 6 shared equally among 3 gives 2 in a group. We can also read these 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then we sharing equally. Okay na? Here equal grouping. Here there are 4 plates. 4 plates, each plate have 3 sandwiches. Total 12 sandwiches are there. These 12 sandwiches are sharing 4 plates. Each plate have 3. And it's 12 is divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay na? When we group act equally, we know the number of things in each group and we have to find the number of groups. Okay na? Any groups aithe arrange chestamo, that is the answer. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And repeated subtraction. Preeti has 12 apples. Preeti has how many apples, children? 12 apples are there. She gives 4 apples to Joy. She gives 4 apples to Joy. Remaining how many apples? 8 apples. Now she has 8 apples. Okay. 8 apples. She gives again 4 apples to Pihu. And 8 minus 4. She have 4 apples. Yes. And these 4 apples also given to Piyush. Now she has how many apples? 0 apples. 4 4 4. Total apples are completed. She has now 0 apples. Yes. So Preeti divides 12 apples is equal among 3 children. 3 children how many apples? First Joy also 4 apples given. And Pihu also 4 apples. And Piyush also 4 apples. 3 groups get divided. Yes. This process is called as division. This process is called division. Yes, here see children, this can be written as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, which is a division fact. It is a division fact. And read as 12 is divided by 4 is equal to 3. Here 12 is dividend, 4 is divisor and 3 is quotient. Okay na? It is the division of symbol. Minus symbol by the dot, small dot. Okay na? Pine down also dot. It is a sign. This sign is used for division. Okay na? Fill in the blanks. Here see children, there are dash pens. There are how many pens in each cup? First you count. Here 4. You can write 4. And these pens are divided into 4 pens are divided into how many holders? 5 holders. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 into 4 how much? 20. Yes. 20 is divided by 5. How much 20 is divided by 5? Here see. You can like this. You can division this one. 5, 20. You can read 5 table when we come 20. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. What is the answer here? 4. You can write here 4. Each holder also here. Holder also holds 4 pens. Okay na? Next here see children, there are 2 balloons. These balloons are divided into 6 girls. How many girls are divided into balloons? 6 girls are divided into 2 balloons. 6 into 2 2 కదా 6 2 జా 12 6 into 2 12 అవునా 12 divided by 6 now you can see 6 12 6 6 double 12 ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ వస్తుందన్నా 6 2 జా 12 అవునా 6 2 జా 12 how 6 girls divide into how many balloons 2 balloons you can write 2 okay now there are 5 apples these apples are divided into 3 plates it's wrong no 5 plates yes it's here also 5 plates 25 divided by 5 you can like this 5 25 5 5 ja 25 how many plates are divided into each plate 5 you can write here 5 okay next see here Sachin write a division fact for each of the following 12 minus 2 how much 10 again this answer you can subtract minus 2 it's come 8 again you can subtract minus 2 it's come 6 6 again minus 2 4 again you can subtract 2 again subtract 0 you can subtract 0 వచ్చిందాక మనం subtract చేయాలి each number okay now next here see how to write 12 which number you can subtract 2 how many times you can subtract in this fact 6 times 12 is divided by 2 is equal to 6 okay now next here see what is this number 15 you can write here 15 subtract with which number 3 you write here 3 how many times you can subtract in this number 1 2 3 4 5 what is the answer 5 okay now here what is the number 20 you can write 20 divided by when we which number we can subtract in 20 number 5 how many times you can subtract 4 times 1 2 3 4 what is the answer 20 is divided by 5 is equal to 4 okay now divided by repeated subtraction one has been done for you here says children 16 divided by 4 in what is the meaning of divided by it is repeated subtraction yes 16 minus 4 how much 12 again you can this 12 you can minus 4 to malli subtract 8 this 8 again subtract 4 number okay we will come 4 again this 4 number subtract 4 is equal to 0 how can you write 6 into 16 divided by 4 is equal to how many times you can subtract 1 2 3 4 you can write 4 okay now 25 divided by 5 what is the meaning 25 divided by 25 number subtract with 5 number yes 25 minus 5 what is the answer we will get the answer is 20 minus again you can do subtraction 20 minus 5 you will get 15 minus 5 10 minus 5 minus 5 0 okay now what is the answer 25 is divided by into how many times 1 2 3 4 5 times 25 is divided by 5 is equal to 5 times next here 28 divided by 7 9 divided by 3 28 divided by 7 you can subtract with 28 minus 7 okay now again you can do what is the answer you can again subtract what is the answer in this answer again you can subtract with 7 number you can subtract 0 what is the answer is 0 వచ్చినాక subtract చేయాలి ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ వేయాలి ఓకే you can do these two problems okay children you can do these 28 divided by 7 and 9 divided by 3 you can do these two problems in your textbook and send my WhatsApp number okay children thank you